uphinde wagadla futhi ke Umkhokha emzini kaMamzobe kanye ke no Difa. Kulesi sikhathi bacanga ukuthi ingcono bahambe bayokumba isidumbu sikaMlungisi kanye ke nesikaXolile ukuze bavimbe nomkhokha ukuthi ungaphinde wenzeke. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 4th to the 8th of December 2023 on Monday. Difa tried to calm down his family before he has to do the worst he has ever had to do, lash his child's lifeless body on Tuesday. After studying what have been happening in the family, Difa has an epiphany and breaks the shocking news to the family. Abakamthembu babeka ke ungaboni ngasolinye eceleni phakathi kwabo ke nomndeni wakaGumede base beyahamba ke nabo bayobakhalisa. The Gumede sibling fear that there is a pattern. They are worried they might be the next on Wednesday. Umamzobe struggles with the guilt of not having lashed umzimba kaXolile, while uDifa makes plans to exhume umzimba kaMlungisi ukuthi ke ushawe ngoba nawo wancatshwa ungashawanga on Thursday. Umamzobe wavele walikhuluma iqiniso ukuthi hayibo nami uXolile angizange ngize ngimshaye on Friday. Difa confront Mamzobe about not lashing Xolile, which has led to the Gumedes and Mzobe's kids being killed by Umkhokha. He must dig up Xolile and lash her to stop the case. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.